My name is Katie Eichorn, and my husband Gary Eichorn, and I have
Eichorn Family Farms.
my husband's family dairied for over 60 years. We're the third generation, raising the fourth generation. My husband and I had to buy the farm 5 years ago, and we got the grain farming side of things and then upped our cow-calf operation to over 60 cows. We feed out 80 to 90, so we are from calving to finish, but then we also buy small groups of cow-calf operations in the Tri-County area, Delaware, Marion, and Morrow to add to our finishing product. We do custom beef, so we sell quarter, halves, and wholes to the customer who wants to buy a beef share for the year to feed their family. But then we also have a retail case of retail cut meats, beef products that we sell off the farm through order and pickup. And then we also have a retail case in a storefront called Kimmy's Cucina. We have a retail case on the farm, which is by order and appointment for that customer who wants to put in an order and pick up. And we also have a retail case at Kimmy's Cucina, which is an Italian storefront where she sells spices and goods that she bakes with Eichorn Family Farms beef, as well as we have a retail case there where people can buy individual retail cuts, which is 65 South Mill Street, Lexington, Ohio, and she's open Wednesday through Saturday. If our customers come directly to the farm, they are by appointment, so they contact me at 419-571-0824 through text or calling. We are also on Facebook and Instagram. Kimmy's Cucina is open Saturday. Hours differ from 12 to 5 or 11 to 6. She can be found on Facebook and Instagram as well. It is a family operation. It is my husband and myself. My husband does do the farming. All inputs are raised and grown on the farm from the grain that is fed to the cattle and the hay. We work closely with the nutritionists from Purina to make sure that we are providing a quality, sustainable product. That is our biggest strive, is to provide quality local beef